Place the beaters back. Be sure that it locates for a spring action. Place the front door back on. Be sure to lift the levers up. Screw the bolts back on. Replace pump mechanism. Be sure to locate with the locating pin. Set the machine to wash. Leave on wash until air bubbles have stopped coming out of the barrel and product is flowing out of the pump. Once this is done, press reset. Fit the feeder tube with the non-return valve into the pump and screw on tightly. Put back onto wash and leave until product is coming out with small holes. Place the agitator in and the machine is ready for cooling.